Uh-oh.
What?
Who did we put in the basket here? Whoa. Why is Audrey in the basket? Whoops, she's trying to get up. Look, she's trying to get up. She's trying to stand up. Can you try to stand up, Audrey? She was trying to stand up. Audrey, you're trying to stand up? Audrey. Audrey. You're trying to stand up, Audrey? Audrey, oh, she is trying to stand up. You're trying to stand up, Mamita? 1, 2, 3. You're trying to stand up? Audrey. What are you trying to do, Audrey? She's trying to stand up. Are you trying to stand up? What do you want to do? Uh-oh, look at her. She is so independent. She has always shown no fear. Look, look, look at the way she moves her body like she's just going to get up and go. No! Okay. What do you want to do, Audrey? Do you just want to stand up and go? Huh? Do you just want to stand up and go, Audrey? Yay! Stand up and go. No? Oh my gosh, she's trying to stand up. 1, 2, and 3. You can stand up if you want to. Oh, you know what? Her legs are too long. That's what it is. That's what it is. Her legs are too long. 12 minutes does not go by that fast. Oh, 2 minutes. You don't fit in there. That's what's the matter. Ay, ay, ay. Get me out of here, Granny. I don't fit in here. I'm telling you right now. You need to get me out. Right? Look at her flex. She just kept doesn't fit. No. No. Why the face? Why the face? Huh? Why the face? Oh, mamacita. Okay, reposition time. Reposition time. Reposition time. You want to reposition? Look. No. Oh, you're not gonna fall. You're not gonna fall. You're not gonna fall. I'm just gonna rock you. Rock-a-bye, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby. Yeah. No, it didn't work for you, huh? Twirl it around. Twirl it around. Maybe. No, just twirl it around. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Yay. Yay. Look at your sister. She knows better than your granny. Excellent idea, Alexa. See, that's what sisters are for. She made me... No, not forward. Backwards is okay, not forward.
likes that.
Mm-hmm. She's so tall. Oh my gosh! If her long legs don't fit, she's just gonna complain. Careful! No, not too far. Not too far. How come she lets you? How come you let sister do that to you? Look at her face. Maybe because you're doing it so gently. Oh, she's smiling. Like going to Six Flags. It's like going to baby Six Flags.
Yeah.
I want to get on the baskets, Mommy. Get me on the baskets. The ones that twirl you around. Like scrambled eggs. They make you feel like a scrambled.
You got scrambled.
Can you pull it like a little rowboat? Pull it. Over there, pull it.
Oh.
Like a rowboat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Oh, these are her roll sticks.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Her roll sticks.
Row. Alexa, your hair looks red here.
It does?
Yep. Red. Red hair. What does my hair look like?
Black.
Alexa's hair looks red.
Row, row.
Oh, row. Are you holding the steering? What are those called? The paddles? The rowing paddles?
Row,
Look at her move her mouth.
row, row. Gently down.
Mama. 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 Mamá, mamá, ¿qué te están haciendo, mamá? ¿Qué te están haciendo, mamá? What are you doing?
Oh, no!
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row. Oh! She's not visible anymore. Where'd she go? I see a snowman. It's January. We're waiting for snow to fall. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Goodbye. Goodbye, Audrey. Out of sight. Where's the river going? Out of sight. Hello. Row back over here. Hasta Luigi. Hasta Luigi.